Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens till July the 12th, which is Saturday. So the full week. Some of this we're doing in store, some of this we're doing curbside. So I have investigated everything very thoroughly. This is actually a pretty decent week for paper deals, especially if you like fancy Cottonelle. Let's go right into store. So yesterday when I was in there, I noticed this tag, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 45, which it is marked on most Cottonelle and Kleenex. So when you're in the store, make sure that everything that you're grabbing has this specific tag, because if you hit that $45 magic mark, you're getting $10 of Walgreens cash back. Because the out of pocket is so vast, if you might have one of these paper boosters, let's stack the two in store, which you in theory absolutely can. And I think that's the best way to do it to get $20 back on a 45. I think most of you see where that's going. So this is just a very straightforward deal. There's the 9 counters that are $10 each. Let's grab 4 of them for $40. And then the smaller $5 pack in the app, it's also tracking with this promotion. That right there is exactly $45. Punch in your phone number, get the cashier to scan all the toilet paper, give that paper booster to cashier. And then if you might have any register rewards from Garnier, Colgate, Crest, whatever, throw it against this because $45 is quite a bit. It must say manufacturer register reward on it though. Please pay attention. So you're going to pay the balance, whatever it is, with your debit card after register rewards. And then you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 10 for the promotion. If you don't have any register rewards, it's basically 25 for $5 or $5 per bag of paper, which is really fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but you certainly can use manufacturer register rewards, Colgate, Crest, whatever you might have if it says manufacturer register reward. I know yesterday the Palmolive ones that were printing, that would be fantastic too. So if you are a Cottonelle fan, this is a really good stock up price. Okay, this next one is for P&G paper. It is to buy 4 to get back a $4 register reward. And it says here, Bounty Charmin Puffs. That's the paper that we're looking at. And they're priced at $4.99. So for this one, grab 3 of whichever papers you want. And please make sure that you're grabbing at least one of the Bounty Essential 4-pack, this guy, because we have a whopping $1 digital coupon, and that's it. If you might have this friend, which is the 5-pack when you spend 15, a lot of us who order photo prints, it randomly prints. It's always a year mileage may vary if you get this, but if you might have one of these, let's toss it into the mix for this deal. So this is just a very straightforward deal, guys. 4 of those paper products at $4.99 a pop. That is $19.96. Get the cashier to scan your booster. Your 1 digital coupon's coming off. Again, if you might have register rewards from the Colgate deal or the Palmolive deal, just anything to get a lesser out of pocket, toss your manufacturer register rewards in. You'll pay $18.96 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, a $4 register reward, making it $9.96 for the 4 or $2.49 per unit of paper. Do not use, again, Walgreens cash if you're using that booster, but if you might have register rewards, by all means, throw that into the mix. Okay, the next group of deals are done curbside. Most of you know curbside, you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up. This booster, which is 15% Walgreens cash rewards on select Walgreens branded items. This can be done in store or online, but we're doing it curbside. The paper is in fact part of this. So both this paper towel and the toilet paper that we're always looking at that's $5, I think I'm putting 4 of the paper towels in this. Very, very good paper products as well for those of you that are wondering. This is very comparable to Angel Soft. I'm going for 6 altogether. You can get 6 toilet papers or 6 paper towels or mix and match as I did. And then we have a $1.50 store coupon that's applying to every single product. If you've already used it, please go through your household folder, scroll at the top to the bottom, and you should be able to reload it because these are of a multiple use, even if you've already used it. Just to show you, our neat and tidy $9 is melting off. Unfortunately, the code WAG10 or any other code cross10, I couldn't get anything to apply. Maybe you'd have better luck than I, but I could not when I was trying to put this video together. Just to show you our overall total, it's $30, $9 melting off. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $2.26, and with that 15% back, you're supposed to be getting back $4.50. There is no spend criteria with that booster of SpendX to get Y, so I think you can roll your Walgreens cash with this one. Okay, guys, the final curbside offer that we're looking at is basic meat and potatoes. I know that, some of you still might have not used your Scott coupon, so we're going to be looking at this to grab 1 toilet paper and 1 paper towel, and they are buy one, get one 50% off, so that's $7.50 for the 2. And if you remember, I think maybe a week or a week and a half ago, we got dollar manufacturers on both, so you're going to make sure you have both of these friends loaded. For the deal, why not? To get the math to balance, let's throw in 2 of the Walgreens brand paper towels and our friend that Walgreens coupon as well. We're going to have to make sure we have it loaded. So 2 of those is exactly 10 buckos. And then this friend, you're going to also have it loaded. It's a store coupon. It's $1.50 off of 1. As we're grabbing 2, $3 will be melting off. Now, just to show you this, $1 for Scott, $3 for those Walgreens paper towels, and then the code WAG10 is magically working with 55 cents melting off right here. So some extra little savings for you to do this one curbside. And if you're getting a big volume of paper, drive to the store within an hour or so of putting in your order, because sometimes you might take up half of that photo counter or, a couple carts of paper. Just you don't want to leave it there for 3 or 4 days, so go and get your paper right away. Just a rule of thumb. Just to show you guys, the overall total for this basket is $17.50, $3.55 melting off, $2 of manufacturers, $1 for the paper towel and toilet paper by Scott. So the total here is $12.79. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $2.79, and you're getting your 15% back for that. Buy Walgreens brand stuff, get 15% back. So it's $1.57 back. Not a bad little deal for 4 units of paper. So go and make these deals happen. I know a lot of us are really into stocking up on paper right now. It's just a smart thing to do. So go and make these deals happen. And especially if you love Cottonelle, that first deal is just absolutely fantastic. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.